So product 3 is a comprehensive health insurance. It's a higher end product. Definitely the premiums will be costly and you will be very happy with this product. When compared to family floater or Mediclassic Gold, this is a higher end product. This is a top class product. So in this, let us see individual basis. So in this, the minimum policy starts from 5 lakhs only, no 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs, nothing. Straight away it is a 5 lakhs. So for any person who is from 3 months to 35 years can you see this, 8,278 rupees. If he pays up to that age slab, the policy premium is same. So if you take 5 lakh rupees policy, you can get a restore benefit of another 5 lakhs. Let's say the same person, same illness will be covered. That is the biggest advantage in this policy, which none of the policies which we discussed didn't have this feature. So what is that thing? Let's say something you want to claim. Let's say the bill is like 8 lakhs or something. You got discharged, 5 lakhs got exhausted, you got discharged, again you admitted for the same illness, same problem, same disease. So that 5 lakhs will be restored and next 5 lakhs you can use it. Even though you take 5 lakhs policy, you can claim up to 10 lakhs using this policy. And for the same person, same illness also is covered. That is the biggest advantage in this one. And no claim bonus is 50%. No claim bonus is both body high, 50% per year. For 2 years, no claim bonus will be like 100%. If you don't claim for next 2 years, 100% NCB will be recharged. If you take 5 lakhs also, the claim can go up to like 15 lakhs. That's the biggest advantage in this one. The same 13 days waiting period, everything is same. But when it comes to pre-existing diseases, here only 3 years waiting period will be there for a pre-existing diseases. Only 3 years waiting period. Whereas in Mediclassic and other policies, there was 4 years waiting period for a pre-existing diseases, and same 24 months for some surgeries, 24 months. That is same. For a pre-existing diseases, comprehensive has only 3 years waiting period. Next question, sir, why 3 years, sir? Can we make it only 1 year waiting period? Yes. In comprehensive, if you pay first year, let's say this policy is 10,000 rupees. Comprehensive policy is 10,000. First year, if you load up your premium, 50% of the premium. If you pay 15,000, 50% of 10,000 is 5,000, right? Add up 50% extra premium if you pay first year only. I'm using the word, you need to pay only first year. Second year onwards, it is just 10,000 only. Don't need to think about second year, third year, how much should I pay, sir? It is just 10,000. Only first year there will be load up. If you are ready to pay that load up charges, then the pre-existing diseases ka waiting period will be changed from 3 years to 1 year. 12 months will be the waiting period. This is the biggest advantage in this comprehensive policy. And apart from that, no claim bonus is 50%, which is very good. There is no room rent capping. Let the room rent be AC room, deluxe room, anything. The company will settle the claim. There is no room rent capping. And apart from this, so domiciliary services. So in home, let's say there is no bed in the hospital, you're taking treatment at home. So if the hospital is providing the services and they are able to provide you the bills, everything, you can claim that also. And apart from that, OPD. Many people will ask me, OPD, will they claim, sir? I will go to some doctor and take the treatment, will they cover? Yes. In comprehensive, OPD will also be covered up to certain limit, 1,500 rupees. Depends on the policy. If the policy is 10 lakhs, the OPD can be little higher. So OPD is also covered here. So apart from that, so this is the best policy we can call. Best policy. Best of a best. So comprehensive is the best of a best. This can be taken for family also. So that's the reason I always suggest people go with comprehensive. Don't take Mediclassic Gold, don't take a family floater, that is Health Optima, Restore, and later suffer. That is not claims or room rent capping they have put, that they have put. So why to take risk? You pay another 2-3,000 extra. Better take comprehensive policy only. This is the best policy in Star Health Insurance. So 5,000 and all, you know, if you go to one resort, you'll pay 10,000 also. So for enjoyment, you're ready to spend. For health insurance, why not? So it's the most essential. Health insurance, term insurance. If something happens to your family, will get the money. So term insurance and SIP, mutual funds. These are some basic needs every human being and should follow these things. See, any doubts in this comprehensive health insurance, you can just call upon me. It's a best policy in Star Health Insurance. Thank you.